beautiful friends. My name is Devika Zovarekar. I'm a children's book author and illustrator. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite subject, which is food. And since we are talking about food, I would like to share with you guys my book, Lilu Makes Laddoos. Laddoos is an Indian dish. It's a sweet dish, and we make laddoos during festival seasons. This is a story about this little girl Lilu, and with her mom's help, she makes laddoos for her little brother Cuckoo. And it's a fully illustrated book, and in the end, you can find illustrated recipes of making laddoos. Laddoos are really yummy. So, I'm going to give the link below in the description box, and this book is available in paperback and Kindle format. So do check it out. And since we are talking about sweets, let's start with our first book, which is a very sweet and fun story. Our first book is 10 Gulab Jamuns. It's written by Sandhya Acharya and it's illustrated by Vanessa Alexander. It's a very, very nice book. It's a story of these two little brothers, Idu and Adu. So one day they are expecting guests, and their mom has made 10 Gulab Jamuns for guests. So Gulab Jamuns is again an Indian sweet dish. Adu and Idu, they cannot really resist their temptation, and they eat most of the Gulab Jamuns. So as they go on eating, this book has a nice basic lesson of counting, which is really fun for kids. And since they have finished Gulab Jamuns, they help their mom making another set. You can find these beautiful illustrations over here, which I absolutely love, that kids who take responsibilities and who help their mom during doing the work, and especially help mom in cooking. So I absolutely love the illustrations. The story is super fun, and why I enjoyed this book more, it's a nice story, so I'm pretty sure the kids who are between 3 to 7, they will enjoy reading this book. But especially I know the author, and I have met Adu and Idu, the two boys. So while reading, it was super fun. So do check it out. This book is available in most of the libraries and bookstores. I'm going to give you the Amazon link below. 10 Gulab Jamuns. So it's a very nice book, and the kids who are non-Indian, I'm pretty sure they are going to enjoy reading this book. And if you want to try Gulab Jamuns at home, you can find the recipe as well. So now let's move on to our second book. Our second book is called Bilal Cooks Daal. So dal is a staple food for most of the South Asian population. So again, it's a super fun book. It's written by Aisha Said and it's illustrated by Anusha Said. It's a story of this little boy Bilal and his friends. And as you can see here, let me show you. Bilal's father, he is actually going to cook dal. I think it's a very nice change to see a father cooking, because in most of the books which I have read, whenever there is a topic of cooking or working in a kitchen, we always see mothers, the characters of mothers doing the cooking stuff. So I really found this very interesting and nice change, where Bilal's father Abu, he's cooking dal. And Bilal's friends, I love the diversity in kids. So you can find so many cute kids, Bilal's friends. So they are really curious to know what is dal. And let me show you. Yeah, on this spread you can actually see dals of different colors. Like, as I said, like most of the South Asians, we eat dal. It's a staple food, and dals they are rich of proteins, and you can find dals in so many colors. So I absolutely love this spread where you can see different types of dals in different colors. And so Bilal is really worried like whether his friends are going to love dal or not. But in the end, kids love eating dal, and you know, yeah, yeah, this spread. I like this spread because every kid, they're talking about their experience eating dal. This guy says it tastes garlicky and salty and sweet. This girl says, and the way it is so creamy, it melts in my mouth. I actually felt like eating dal, making dal for dinner. I love this book. The illustrations are amazing, very, very colorful and very beautiful. This illustrator has drawn super cute kids. I love, 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 love this book. And in the end, if you have to make dal at home, you can find the recipe here. So do check it out. Bilal cooks dal. You know, it is so amazing to see South Asian food representation in kids' literature. And I just have fun reading and reviewing books written by South Asian authors. And it's so good to see books written on food, culture, festivals, celebration. It's so much fun, and you can actually find so many diverse books in local libraries, which is also fabulous. So I'll see you next week, guys, with 2 new books, and I'm just trying to find out more fun books written by South Asian authors. And if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment box. I would love to review the books. And if you are an indie author, do send me the book PDF or print book. I would love to review that as well. So I'll see you guys next week. Till then, ciao.